Morning children, my dear 7th class students, we are discussing in the chapters fractions. Last two classes, what is meant by fractions, what are the types of fractions, and how to convert the improper fractions into mixed fraction and mixed fraction to improper fractions and simplified fractions. These are all discussing and finishing. And what is its continue means? Today now we will go for how you comparing fractions. Comparing fractions means which is bigger and which is smaller, and which is bigger and which is smaller. Now we'll see the first of all, I'll give one example. First, 3/8 and 5/6. Number one problem. In 3/8 and 5/6, which is the bigger, and how you know about that problem? 3/8 and 5/6. So only two fractions. When comparison of two fractions is not difficult, it is easy. There is one shortcut method is there. I will tell you how it is. For example, see then 3/8 and 5/6 should multiply first fraction numerator and second fraction denominator. These two should multiply. 3 into 6. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Next, first fraction denominator and second fraction numerator. These two are should multiply. 8 into 5. 8 5s are 40. So this product is greater since 40 is greater than 18. Since 40 is greater than 18, 40 is greater than 18. 40 means what is that? This one 8 5s are 40. That means 5/6. So therefore 5/6 is greater than 3/8. The 40 is greater than 8. Since 40 is greater than 8, so 40 means what is that? Multiplication of these two fractions. These first fraction denominator and second fraction numerator. This right side part. That means 8 5s are 40. This fraction 5/6 is greater than 3/8. One more example. One more problem. 4/5 and 6/7. 4/5 and 6/7 and 6/7. In these two, which is the bigger one we have to find out? In these two fractions, as per this method, how you solve this problem? Next, 4/5 and 6/7. Now you multiply those two, numerator and denominator, and denominator and numerator. Now 4 7s are 4 into 7, 28. 4 7s 28. Next, 5 into 6, that is equal to 30. Which is the bigger one? 5 6 are 30. Since 30 is greater than 28, then what is that? 30 is what is that? This one. 6/7 is greater than 4/5. Like this method. Next, one more problem. 2/9 and 4/7. Third one, 2/9 and 4/7 and 4/7. Like this is that. 2/9 and 4/7. Now, along this method, according to this method, in these two, either 2/9 or 4/7, which one is greater? 2/9, 4/7. That means you should multiply that one. 2 7s are 2 into 7 is equal to 14, and 9 into 4, 36. 9 into 4, what is that? 36. Okay, I think it is not visible. I'll go for that here. Third one, here are that. Third one, 2/9 and 4/7. 4/7. 2/9 and 4/7. In these two, which one is greater? 2/9 and 4/7. Listen. 2 by 9, 4 by 7 means multiply this numerator of the first fraction and denominator of the second fraction. 2 into 7, how much? 14. 9 fours, 36. Which is greater? 36. Since 36 is greater than 14, that means what is that? 4 by 7 is greater than 2 by 9. 4 by 7 is greater than 2 by 9. So, when comparing two fractions like this way, like this method, we can find out either which one is greater and which one is smaller. It is easy method. Then, how you compare more than two factors or three fractions? Sorry, more than two fractions. That means three fractions or four fractions. How you write ascending orders and descending orders of the fractions? Listen, children. This is a way to find out the comparison of two fractions and which one is greater and which one is smaller. Like this. And how you comparing that more than two fractions? More than two fractions. Listen. Now, this is comparing fractions. Now, more than two fractions. Comparing more than two fractions. Comparing more than two fractions. More than two fractions. How compare more than two fractions? Now look at here, all of you. Five by 8, 3 by 5 and 7 by 4. Three fractions are there. 5 by 8, 3 by 5 and 7 by 4. Out of these three fractions, which one is greater and which one is smaller, we will find out. First of all, look at here. First, when comparing more than two fractions, what you have to do? First step, make them LCM to all the denominators. LCM of, first LCM of 8, 5, 4. 8, 5, 4. What is the LCM of 8, 5, 4? 8, 5, 4. Listen here. 8, 5, 4. 8, 5, 4. So, there are three numbers are there. Out of three, any two numbers which goes in same table, we want to do that one. And 8, 4, it will goes that two table. Next, 2 4 8. The 5 won't go, so draw it out like that. 2 2s. Again 4 and 2 will go in two table, second table 2. 2 2s, 5 2 1s. What is the LCM? LCM of 8, 5 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 1. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 1. How much is going? 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 5s 40, 41s are 40. This is called LCM. LCM of 8, 5, 4, how much is it? 40. Now, second step. Second step. You make all the denominators as LCM. Second step. You make all denominators to make all denominators as LCM. LCM is 40. Like fractions into denominators as 40 into like fractions into it becomes like fractions. It becomes like fractions. Now look at here. First of all, first fraction. What is the first fraction? 5 by 8. So what is the denominator? 8. To make all denominator as LCM, what is the LCM? 40. That 8 should be multiplied with 5. Why? Because at what number should multiply with 8 to get 40? That 8 should be multiplied with 5 only to get 40. To make it equivalent fractions, to make it all equivalent fractions. Then once if we multiply the 8 with 5, the 5 is also should multiply the same with 5. 5 into 5. That 5 5s are 25 by 40. Next, second one, 3 by 5. Now, what is the denominator? 5. What is the 5? So, you want to make it the 5 into 40. Into 40. What number should multiply with 5 to get 40? That means 5 into 8. 3 into 8. 3. Why I am multiplying with 3 is also 8 means to make it equivalent fractions. Already I told that what are the equivalent fractions means. The same numerator and denominator should multiply or divide with the same number is called equivalent fractions. Now 3 by 5. 5 I should multiply with 8. Why I am multiplying the 5 with 8 means should make it as LCM. What is the LCM here? 40. What number should multiply with 5 to get 40? 5 8s are 40. That is 3 8s are 24 by 40. Next, third one. First fraction, second fraction. Third one, 7 by 4. What is that? 7 by 4. 7 by 4. And again, what is the denominator here? 4. The 4 should multiply, 4 should make it as 40. If you want to make it 4 as 40, what number should multiply with 4? That should be multiplied with 10. 4 into 10. 7 into 10. That means 7 times are 70. By 4 times are 40. Look at here. So now 20 by 40, 24 by 40, 70 by 40. So 5 by 8 converted as 25 by 40 and 3 by 5 is converted as 24 by 40 and 7 by 4 is converted to 7 by 40. That means all becomes a like fractions. It is easy to find out which is greater or which is smaller in like fractions. Which all denominators are equal 40, 40, 40. Which numerator is less, that fraction is very small. Out of 25, what is the numerator? 25, 24, 70. In those two, which one is the since 24 by 40 is less than, next 25 by 40, next is less than 70 by 40. So therefore, what is the 24 by 40 fraction? 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 is less than, what is the 20 by 40? 25 by 40 is 5 by 8. 5 by 8 and is less than 70 by 4 means 70 by 40 means 7 by 4. Yes. Now among these three fractions, 3 by 5 is small one and second is 5 by 8 and third one is bigger one is 3 by 4, 7 by 4. Like this we can compare all more than two fractions. More than two fractions. Okay children. Now one more problem. One more problem. One more. This is one more problem. Second example. Second example. Second example. Arrange that ascending order or descending order. This 5 by 12, 3 by 4, 7 by 6 and 5 by 8. 5 by 12, 3 by 4, 7 by 6, 5 by 8. Now we want to write. First step. Make LCM of all denominators. 12, 4, 6, 8. 12, 4, 6, 8. In which table is going? 2 table. 2 6 are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 4s. Once again, with the 2 table. 2 3s, 2 1s, 3 won't go, same, 2 Again, 1, 2 is not going. 2 3s are there. Still it goes to 3 table. 3 ones, 1, 1, 2. Now, what is the LCM? 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 1 into 1. If you multiply the 1, the same product you will get. Then after that, what will be there? 2. 2 2s 4, 4 3s 12, 12 2s 24. What is the LCM of 12, 4, 6, 8? 2 2s 4, 4 3s 12, 12 2s 24. Once again, 12, 4, 6, 8. 2 times 2 6 times, 2 times, 2 3 times, 2 4 times. Again with 2 3 times, 2 1 times, 3 would won't go, same 3 number is brought down, 2 2s with 3. 3 ones, 1, 3 ones, 2. Then, now I am making that, make it all fractions into like fractions. That all denominators 12, 4, 6, 8 convert into as 24. Now listen here. In 5 by 12, the 12 is the denominator and the 12 should be converted into as 24. What number should multiply with 12 to get 24? 12 into 2. That means to make it equal fraction, once if you multiply the denominator of a fraction multiplies one number, you say numerator is also multiplied with the same number. The 5 into 2, 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10 by 12 24. Once again, next 3 by 4. Now the 4 is make it as 24. What number should multiply 4 as 24? 4 into 6, 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24. Next, 7 by 6. The 6 has converted to as 24. What number should multiply 6 to as 24? The 6 into 4. 6 4s are 24. And 7 is also with 4. 7 4s are 28. 28 by 24. Next, 5 by 8. And here, 5 by 8. 5 by 8 means the 8 want to convert 4. 8 3s 24. 8 converted to 24 as 24. 8 3s 5 into 3s. 5 3s are 15, 8 3s are 24. And which is the bigger and which is the smaller? And this one. So all like fractions 24, 24, 24, 24. So which is small? Which numerator is smaller one? That fraction is smaller one. Compare 10, 18, 28, 15 is 10 is small. That means 10 by 24. Since what is that? 10 by 24 is less than. Next 15 by 24 less than. Next 18 by 24 less than 28 by 24. Then what is the fraction of 10 by 24? Original fraction 10 by 24 means 5 by 12. What is the equivalent fraction 10 by 24? 5 by 12. What is the equivalent fraction of 15 by 24? 5 by 8. And what is the equivalent fraction of 18 by 24? 3 by 4. And less than. Next, what is that? 7 by 6. This is the way to comparison of more than 2 or 3 fractions. Now 5 by 12, 3 by 4, 7 by 6, 5 by 8. The first fraction is 5 by 8. Sorry, 5 by 12 is the smaller one. Next 5 by 8. Next 3 by 4. Next 7 by 6. This is the way to comparison of all fractions. Okay children, this is the way to comparison of fractions. The next class will start the exercise. Thank you very much.